Imagine hopping into a time machine and traveling to ancient Egypt, or fast-forwarding to the year 3000. Time travel is one of humanity's biggest dreams, and while it might sound like pure science fiction, many scientists actually think time travel could be possible. So, how would it work, and what science could turn this dream into reality? Today, we're breaking down the mind-bending science of time travel and exploring if and how we could one day step through time itself. To understand time travel, we first need to understand time itself. So what exactly is time? Unlike our perception of a ticking clock, time isn't just a straight line. It's woven into the very fabric of our universe, along with space. Together, they form what's called spacetime. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, space and time are connected and can actually bend around massive objects like stars and planets. Einstein discovered that when a massive object bends space-time, it slows down time. This effect is known as time dilation. Basically, the closer you are to something massive and heavy, like a planet or star, the slower time goes for you compared to someone far away. This is crucial because time dilation is the backbone of all time travel theories. Most scientists agree, traveling forward in time is theoretically possible thanks to time dilation. Here's how it works. Let's say you're an astronaut in a spaceship traveling near the speed of light, which is around 670 million miles per hour. At that speed, time slows down for you compared to people on Earth. For instance, if you traveled at light speed for what felt like 10 years to you, 50 years might pass on Earth by the time you return. So, by moving extremely fast or being near a massive gravitational source, you can effectively travel into Earth's future. Here's where things get really interesting and confusing. While moving forward in time is widely accepted, traveling backward in time is where scientists are divided. One theory suggests that if we could create a wormhole, a tunnel that connects 2 points in space-time, we could technically use it to travel back to the moment the wormhole was created. These wormholes could act as shortcuts through space-time, making time travel to the past theoretically possible. But building one is where things get complicated. So what are wormholes? Imagine space-time as a piece of paper. If you fold the paper and punch a hole through it, you create a shortcut from one side to the other. That's essentially what a wormhole would do in space-time. But to keep a wormhole open long enough to travel through, we'd need something called exotic matter, which is a hypothetical substance with negative energy that could prevent the wormhole from collapsing. This exotic matter hasn't been discovered yet, and even if we find it, controlling wormholes could be extremely dangerous. They're highly unstable, and if they collapsed, it would destroy anything inside. And if you thought wormholes were complicated, wait until you hear about black holes. Black holes are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They have such strong gravity that not even light can escape. As we approach the edge of a black hole called the event horizon, time begins to slow down significantly. If you could hover just outside the event horizon without being pulled in, you'd see the universe's time racing by in the distance. In theory, this intense time dilation near a black hole could also allow you to experience time travel into the future. But getting close to a black hole without being crushed is nearly impossible, making this a highly dangerous form of time travel. One of the biggest challenges in time travel is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you traveled back in time and accidentally prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. That would mean you would never be born, so you couldn't go back in time. But if you didn't go back in time, then your grandfather would still meet your grandmother, and you would be born, allowing you to go back in time. This paradox creates a loop that defies logic. Some scientists believe that time travel might be possible, but that it would operate in a way where the past is set and unchangeable, or that parallel universes might allow different outcomes without affecting our own timeline. Some scientists propose that instead of one single timeline, there might be a multiverse, a collection of parallel universes where every possible outcome happens. So if you went back in time and changed something, it might not affect our universe, but could create an alternate timeline instead. This multiverse theory could bypass the paradoxes of time travel, allowing travelers to explore alternate realities without disturbing their original timeline. It's one way science addresses the complex challenges that come with altering history. While time travel remains theoretical, scientists are making strides. Some physicists are studying quantum particles, which seem to exist in multiple places at once, hinting at the idea of different timelines or states of being. Others study cosmic phenomena like black holes and gravitational waves, hoping these might hold the key to unlocking time travel. But the truth is, we're only scratching the surface of what we know about time. Future technology might reveal pathways we can't yet imagine, but for now, we're left with tantalizing theories and groundbreaking experiments. So, will we ever unlock the secrets to time travel? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the universe holds endless mysteries waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this dive into the science of time travel, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cosmic explorations. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through time.